Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, of course, is box opening day on the kit of the week. This week's kit of the week is the Miles Messenger Mark 1 in 1/72 scale from Kovazavody Prostyeyov, or KP as I will call them from now on so that I don't offend my Czech viewers. It's a new tool kit, so there's no history of it to speak of. We'll have a quick look and see if anyone else makes anything to do with the Miles Messenger at all, and also have a look inside the box, see what comes with it and what the decal options are. Now, if you've already got one of these in your stash and you want to make it, then there'll be a companion video making the kit released tomorrow, and then of course the day after that there's the combo video of the box opening, making the kit, and a history of the Miles Messenger itself. It really is quite a fascinating aeroplane. Now, if you enjoy the videos, and I really hope you do, then please do subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is click on that little logo down there in the bottom right corner. If you'd like to support future productions, you can do that through Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. Links to both of those are in the information box below. So let's get on now and have a look at this kit of the Miles Messenger Mark 1 from KP in 1/72 scale. This kit from KP is a new tooling, so there's no history really to talk about. As is normal with KP, however, there is more than one version right away. In addition to this kit, there is a boxing with 3 aircraft that flew with the RAF during the Second World War. The other boxing is for messengers in civilian service with schemes for 3 different aircraft. Blue seems to be a common theme here. There is another messenger kit available, again in 1/72, this time from AZ, but as it's the same tooling as the KP kit, there's not much to get excited about. The only other plastic kit was the Pavla model in 1/72 in a tooling from 2000. Now, as you can see from the civilian messenger boxing, KP has released a set of the Miles Hawk Major, again a new toolkit, and this time just the 3 boxings, one for impressed aircraft, one for the Spanish Civil War, and one for civilian aircraft. I'm hoping this is a start of a comprehensive run of Miles aircraft from KP. A Magister seems an obvious follow-up, although there are plenty of kits already available in 1/144th, in 1/72nd, in 1/48th, and even 1/32nd scales. Dora Wings has this excellent Miles Master in 1/48th, which is soon to be released in 1/72nd as well. Other notable Miles aircraft available include the Micromere Miles Aerovan, a post-war light transport aircraft that proved surprisingly popular, and the Planet Models kit of the Libellula, a pusher tandem wing prototype for a naval fighter. Sadly, no plastic kits exist of the Miles M52, the revolutionary design that could have been the first supersonic aircraft had it not been cancelled by the UK government in 1946. Maybe KP could think about that. The box opens at one end and the contents come in this cellophane bag that's sealed over on itself. The contents are few, it must be said. All of the grey plastic comes on this single small sprue, but then this is 1/72 and the Messenger was a pretty tiny aeroplane. The only other plastic in the kit is this one-piece transparent canopy. The moulding on the parts isn't all that great, and there is very little in the way of detail. There are a lot of sprue joins in awkward places, such as on the leading edge of the tailplane. Now, for a new tool, there is a significant amount of flash on many parts, such as this undercarriage leg, and the mouldings all look a little soft. The cockpit seal also has flash, And you can see the stub here, which is supposed to help align and support the wing on the fuselage. As for the wing, on the bottom it has a hole for the undercarriage to sit in. This hole's pretty shallow and rounded, and it doesn't really give you much hope that the gear is going to sit straight. This needed to be deeper and more sharply moulded, with the leg likewise well shaped. Note also the big sprue feed on the leading edge again. Overall then, the parts are not of the best design or production, although of course we've all seen worse. But this is a new tool, it really should be better. The instructions for assembling the 29 parts are, naturally enough, simple, and 1.5 sheets of A5 covers the whole job. There are 3 scheme options, 2 for RG333, that's with and without invasion stripe markings on the upper surfaces, and 1 for RH378. Both were used by General Montgomery during his command of 21st Army Group in 1944 and 45. The decals are few, but then I'm not entirely sure how many stencils a messenger would have anyway. The sheet includes decals for the seatbelts and for a set of instruments. All are reasonably well printed, although the colour registration is really not quite right. This is the danger of 4-colour print at this scale. You'll never get the sharpness and density you can get with spot colour. There it is then, the Miles Messenger in 1/72 from KP. Now, if you've enjoyed the video, please do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. The link to do that is that little logo down there in the bottom right corner, and of course it's free. In any case, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.